We're gonna cover how to sort in Excel. First, I'll show you how to sort simply just by one column, and then I'm gonna show you how to sort by multiple columns, right, with a stable sort. So let's say we have students. Let's say we have a name and the grade, right? And let's say we have like various names of the students. Let's say Diego. Let's say Alberto. Jennifer, yeah. Let's say Alberta again, and then yeah, that's it. So now let's say they have a grades, right? So let's say Diego has 80, Alberta has 90, Jennifer is very smart, and the other Alberta is a bad one, so he has 56, right? So let's say as we as a teacher, right, we want to sort our students by alphabet, right? So how do we do that? So we just can select that, and then we have like on this corner we have sort. Just click here and we say sort A to Z, right? That's how we want it. We say sort. Okay. So and then also if you want to do it in descending order, right? We can just go back and like sort in descending order, right? Jennifer goes. Okay, and as you can see, Excel also like keeps track of the grades, right? Of who got what. So as we said, like Jennifer is smart, so she got 100, right? So when you sort, it actually sorts all the cells in the same order, right? So most of the time, that's what you need, right? Let's go back to the ascending order. So most of the times, that's all you need, right? Just to sort one column. Let's say that we also what we want to do is to sort by a grade, right? So let's say, for example, over here, right, like Alberto with grade 90 goes first, right, and then Alberto with the grade 56 goes second, right? But let's say we want to do it in such a way where if the names match, we want to sort those row by the grade when the grade is smaller, right? So the Alberto with the grade 56 should go first, right? So we want to embarrass him first, right? So how do we do that? So in order to do that, we can select the columns that we want to sort by, click on our sort filter button again, and go to this custom sort, right? In custom sort, you can see that Excel basically pre-fills it for you and says, okay, the first I'm going to sort by name. Then you can say, okay, sorted by A to Z, right? And then you can change that Z to A. So then, in order to sort by the grade the way we want it, we can add another column and say them by, and we say by grade, and the values smallest to largest. Then we click OK. Boom. You see how the Alberto was grade 56 now is in the first row. Alright, I hope you guys like this video. If you please click like and subscribe, please. Thank you very much. Bye.